Hello viewer, here I will create a shape in this way. So you can see how I have made that. We will start teaching you in this tutorial from the scratch. First of all, we will use the custom shapes. In that custom shape, I will choose this one. Here we have draw here. Draw that sketch. Now drag the image over it. So there is the image. Fixed it. There is a clipping mask on that shape. Now use the pen tool over it. Thank you for watching.